Welcome to the Otrading video. This tutorial provides a detailed explanation of how the future's AI DCA robot works and how to get it started. First, let's understand the principle of DCA trading strategy. It involves gradually increasing positions when the market moves against the robot's expectations, thereby reducing average cost, and closing positions for profit when price fluctuations reach the take profit. This strategy is easy to understand and set up, particularly suitable for oscillating market with significant price fluctuations. In the Otrading app, locate Trades and then select Futures AI DCA. First, select the asset you want to trade. Here you can click to the candlestick chart of BTC for a more detailed analysis using various indicator tools. Selecting an asset with price oscillating within a range but exhibiting significant hourly fluctuations is more favorable for DCA strategy arbitrage. For example, BTC. Next, determine the position direction of the robot. By examining the recent trend chart of BTC, if you notice the price moving consistently in one direction, it's advisable to determine the position direction as long. Generally, in a bull market, you opt for long positions, while in a bear market, you choose short positions. When you're relatively confident that the current market is oscillating, you can opt for a hedging mode for double profits, which involves simultaneously opening positions for both long and short directions. The initial positions represents the amount of BTC purchased each time the robot increases its position. It's recommended to maintain the default initial positions to start the robot. The max positions denotes the maximum number of BTC the robot can hold. This value is associated with the initial positions above and the max orders below. For instance, assuming the max orders remains unchanged at 7, the larger the initial positions, the greater the max positions. When setting leverage, it's advisable to set it below 5 to reduce risk. Additionally, it offers 5 levels of risk preference for traders. Risk level directly affects the calculation of take profit and price interval. The lower the risk level, the safer the funds, and the larger the take profit and price interval. Once launched, the robot will run continuously in cycle. If manually set for single, it will stop running after all positions are closed for profit. Now let's delve into one of the special parameters, TP mode, including Auto, TP, and Smart TP. TP is the classic take-profit mode in DCA strategy, where positions are closed in one go after multiple position increases, yielding higher profits in high volatile markets. If the market exhibits prolonged low volatility, making it difficult to reach the full position profit-taking point, Smart TP can be chosen. Smart TP independently closes the last position increased, allowing the robot to continue profiting while the market oscillates between the last position's increase and take profit points. The auto mode switches from TP to Smart TP after the 4th positions. It adopts the 7 consecutive increasing method with a default of 7 max orders. In classic DCA robots, there are 3 key parameters: multiplier, price interval, and take profit. You can click on Custom to set the amount of each position increase, defaulting to a 2x position increase method, meaning that each time, the position is increased by twice the amount of the previous increase. Opening price interval. It customizes the interval and the extent of support for declines based on the current asset's volatility. Position management is the core of DCA strategy, and the take profit is customized based on the current asset's volatility. Although the take profit is smaller, resulting in smaller profits per instance, it can improve liquidity and prevent being trapped in one-sided market movements. In comparison with competitors, Otrading also provides settings for price ceiling and price floor. When the price exceeds the specified range, no further positions will be increased to prevent substantial losses from continued counter-trend position increases. Next is the AI mode. Click on the question mark to understand its function. After enabling AI mode, all 7 parameters, multiplier, price interval, trailing buy, take profit, trailing profit, price ceiling, and price floor, are managed by AI system. The system calculates and sets the price interval and take profit in real time based on the current asset's volatility to dynamically optimize capital efficiency and reduce financial risk. The AI system also regularly calculates support and resistance levels for the current asset as price ceiling and price floor, initiating and increasing positions within this secure price range. If the price breaches or falls below this range, no further positions will be increased to ensure fund safety. After the market exits one-sided trends, the AI will automatically readjust to return to this range for continued arbitrage. It's highly recommended for beginners to enable AI mode and let the AI system manage DCA parameters. Furthermore, if take profit and stop loss parameters are set in the advanced settings, the robot will stop running upon meeting the conditions. Typically, setting a take profit S is not necessary, but it's strongly advised to have stop loss. Based on individual tolerance for losses, set a percentage, e.g., 20%. When the robot's position reaches $1,000 and incurs a $200 floating loss during adverse market, the robot will automatically close all positions and stop. Once the above settings are complete, click on the Launch button, and you'll see a Launch Completed message. Switch to the robot's running list page to see the newly launched robot.